all real solutions. We make the math real for you.
Today's topic will be weighted averages. If you ever had a grade in a class that has categories, you might notice that each of the categories are weighted. What that means is that each assignment you're given counts as a different percentage of your grade. The example I provided here is Brady's gradebook. In Brady's class, homework is worth 10%, classwork is 40%, and assessments are 50%. So half of Brady's grade is going to come from his assessments, tests, and quizzes. 40% of his grade is going to be calculated from his classwork, and 10% of his grade is going to be considered homework. In order to calculate Brady's final grade with these weightings, we have to do a little bit of the process. First thing we have to do is we need to find the category average. That means if Brady has homework grades, what is his average grade in that category? And we're going to do that for homework, classwork, and assessments. So to begin, to find the average of Brady's 3 grades, we're going to add them up and then divide by 3 because there are 3 grades. So we're going to take 80 plus 95 plus 77, and we're going to add that up and divide it by 3. And I'm going to do my scratch work off to the right. So it's going to be 80 plus 95 plus 77. All right. So 18. We have 252. So his category average is 252 divided by 3. So 252 divided by 3. All right, 3 times 8 is 24. Subtract 1, bring down the 2, 4. So the homework average is 84%. Brady has an 84% in his homework. Now we're going to do the same thing for classwork. Add up the 3 grades and divide by 3. So 86 plus 75 plus 100, all divided by 3. 86 plus 75 plus 100 is 261. Now we're going to do 261 divided by 3. Again, 3 times 8 is 24. 20, bring down the 1. 7 times 3 is 21. So I get 261 divided by 3 is an average of an 87%. So he's doing a bit better in classwork. He has an average of 87%. Last is assessments. We're going to add up the 3 grades and divide by 3. So I have 78 plus 87 plus 90 divided by 3. So over here I've got 78 plus 87 plus 90, 255 divided by 3. Again, 3 times 8 is 24. Bring down the 1, 5. So 255 divided by 3 is 85. So Brady's looking pretty good. He has a B average in all 3 of his categories. So you would know that since Brady has a B in each category, he will end up with a B in the class. But we want to calculate his actual grade. So what percentage is Brady going to earn if he has an 84 in homework, an 87 in classwork, and an 85 in assessments? So now that we have our category averages, we need to calculate, well, how much of that grade is going towards his final grade? And this is when we bring in the weightings. Homework is weighted at 10%. So we have to convert 10% to a decimal. So in order to go from a percentage to a decimal, you just have to divide by 100. And that's it. So 10 divided by 100 is 0.1. So I have 0.1. And I'm just going to do 0.1 times 84. Which means just move the decimal place 1 over, which means 8.4 points, percentage points, are going to come from his homework. The maximum number of percentage points he could earn would be 10 because his homework is only 10%. Classwork, 40%. Again, the most number of points he could get out of classwork would be 40 towards his final grade, but it's a percentage of that 87. So we're going to do 40 divided by 100, which is 0.4 times 87. And this one I'm going to calculate over here. So 87 times 0.4, so 28, 34, but I have decimal point. So of the 40 possible points in classwork, percentage points in classwork, he gets 34.8 percentage points towards his final grade because he had an 87. So he gets 87% of the 40 possible percentage points. Then we have assessments are 50%. 50% means half. So we're going to calculate 0.5 times 85 to get half of those points. So half of 85 is 42.5. That means that 42.5 of the possible 50 percentage points are going to come from assessments. Now that we have all of the percentage points earned in each category, we can calculate Brady's final grade by adding them all up. So we're going to add up 8.4 plus 34.8 plus 42.5. So 42.5, 34.8, and 8.4. We get 85.7. So his final grade, still a B, which we expected because he has a B in everything, is equal to 85.7%. B. So good job, Brady. And that's how you calculate your weighted values if you have category grades where each one's weighted with a different percent.
Thanks for watching All Real Solutions. See you next time.